Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $30 every 10 minutes and up to $180 per hour. And for this method, we're going to be using Google Translate. I just want to start off this video saying that this method is not one of those transcribed methods you probably heard about, or one of those that you have to write a blog post method. This is a different method. It's a different way of making money. And with this method, you can actually make around $25 to $30 every 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. You don't get paid per hour, you get paid every 10 minutes. So 1 hour has 6 times 10 minutes. So let's do 30 times 6. That's $180 that you could potentially be making using this method. So most people who actually use this method, they do it for around 4 to 5 hours every single day. So let's do some calculation on that. If you use this website for about 5 hours every single day, then you're going to be making around $900 a day, which is good. Now, before we start the video, I'd like to mention that this is completely free. Anyone can do it. All you need to have is a PayPal account. And if you'd like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to my channel, because I share here only valuable contents, including different money-making methods that you can follow to make money online. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get started. So right now, I'm here on the Google Translate website, which is the website that you want to be heading up to. All you have to do to get to this website, which I know most of you guys might already know, is you go into Google and simply type translate. And then when you do that, it's going to pop up this window here. And all you have to do to go into the full website is just click Google Translate here down in the bottom. This is going to open the full website for you to browse. So once you're in the Google Translate website, all you have to do to translate something, if you don't know how to use it, you select the language that you want to be translating from and the language that you want it to be translated to. So let's say I wanted to translate from English to Spanish, right? Hello, I type in hello, it's going to translate it into Spanish. Hola, right? So pretty easy. So now that you know how to translate things, all we need to do now, we're going to head off to CPA Grip, which is a website that I love. And I really like this website because it's really easy to use it to make money, right? All you have to do is copy your affiliate link from some of the actions that it's going to give to you on the website. And whenever someone does something like click a link or put in an email, you're going to be earning money from that. So it's really easy to make money using this website. And it's, basically anyone around the world can use it because this website pays via PayPal. So I think PayPal works all over the globe. With that said, if you're able to get a PayPal account, then you're able to use this website and make money from there. Now, all you have to do to register for it is you click register. I'm already registered to the website, so it already took me to the dashboard. But all you have to do to register for this website is you need an email address, you enter your name. I think you need a phone number too. I'm not really sure, but it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I think it's a username, password, and a phone number. That's it. And there is another video of mine that I show you guys how you can register for CPA Grip. So feel free to explore my playlist. Now, one of the things that you're going to be able to see as soon as you log into this website is that it's going to show you all the people that are making money using it, right? As you can see here, this guy made $30,727 with 15,000 leads. So this guy is earning top dollar doing this. This one earned $228. This one earned $336, $383, $550, $1,799. So there's lots of people using this site to make money, right? And I can tell you from personal experience that I know people who are making like hundreds of thousands of dollars using this website. So once you're in the dashboard, here are some of the top performing offers if you want to check. But what I'm going to be showing you today is how you can use this to make a lot of money in many ways. So what you have to do is you go to offer tools, you click my offers, and by default, it knows that I'm in the United States. So it displays the United States for me, which most of the offers here are not bad. As you guys can see here, it's paying. The highest paying offer is paying $2.05, which is not bad. If you have a high volume of traffic, you can make a lot of money doing this. But if you wanted to make $2,000 using this method here, using these offers here, you're going to be having to drive traffic from 1,000 people to get $2,000, which I know not many of you are going to be doing unless you're doing one of the other methods that I've taught in the past, which is using YouTube Shorts and that kind of stuff. But what if you could make more money than $2 an offer, right? So one thing that I know not many people know about is you need to use top paying countries that have high value offers. So what do I mean by this? Don't worry, because I'm going to show you right now. What you want to change here to some country like, I don't know, France or maybe Italy or maybe Spain. Go ahead and try different options. As you guys can see here in France, they have this payout, which is $23, right? Which is a lot higher than the $2 that we just saw from the United States. And the reason they have this is because not many people are using these countries to make money. So they want to pay more money to incentivize people to start using their website in these countries. There's a lot of people using it in the United States, but there's not so many people using it in France, right? So they want to incentivize you to start using this in France as well, right? So let's try Spain. Let's see what Spain's got. In Spain, they're paying a little bit less. Oh, they're actually paying more, $28, right? So they're paying $28 for you to fulfill their orders in Spain. Let's see Italy, which I'm actually Italian, if you guys don't know. Okay, so in Italy, they have a highest paying offer of $17. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be focusing on Spain, right? Now, when you look at this website, Spain might not be paying the highest bid, right? So you want to look over the highest paying countries. You could check Sweden, you could check Portugal, you could check, I don't know, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico. You could look over these countries and see what people are promoting and how much they're paying. In this case today, they're paying the highest in Spain, at least from what I can see here. So I'm going to choose an offer here in Spain. And the reason why they're paying so much is because people don't speak Spanish and they don't promote things in Spanish because they don't speak other languages. And for that reason, most people only want to promote the English offers. And this is where the opportunity for you lies. So what you want to do to get your affiliate link is you're going to click this offer here. Let's say you click the first offer. In this case, they're asking you to enter your phone number for a chance to win. And for every person that does this, you're going to be earning $28.76. Okay? So now, what you want to do to get your affiliate link is you want to choose a domain. For the tracking domains, you could just choose, I don't know, moral files. Let's choose this one. And this is going to be your affiliate link. So whenever someone makes a purchase, in this case, it's not really a purchase. Whenever they submit their phone numbers for a chance to win this offer, you're going to be getting the dollar amount here. And this is your affiliate link that you're going to be using to promote that offer. Okay, so now that you have your affiliate link, what you want to do is you want to copy it, write it down somewhere so you don't lose it. In this case, I put my affiliate link here in this text file, and I'm going to minimize it for a while. And your link is huge right now. So what you want to do is you want to shorten this link and make it more appealing for people to click, okay? Let's just see what the offer is called, okay? So what people are going to be doing is they're going to be clicking your link to win a free generator, an energy generator. So let's try to put this into Google in Spanish to English, solar generator, right? So we want to be writing this in Spanish because Spanish people are going to be seeing this. So you just copy your link, come to bit.ly, create a new shortened link, enter the long URL here. Here, you're going to put your affiliate link, just copy and paste it here, and then click create. On the customized back half, you want to add the name of your offer. Okay, so the name of the offer here is Generador Solar, right? So we want to take this and we want to paste it here, remove the space, and let's see if it's available. So it's not available. Let's put a number at the end. Let's say 12. Okay, that one's good. You want to copy this link, also keep it safe somewhere. So now that you've shortened your link, what you want to do is you want to head to this website over here. Obviously copy the link, save it somewhere like I showed you, and you want to head off to this website here. And as you remember, on our offer here, people are going to be paying us $28.76 for each person that inputs their phone number into this offer. And then when they do, you're going to get the money. So in this website that I'm going to show you right now, it's going to be guaranteed that you're going to be getting at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. So not all of them are going to be completing your offer. So let's say 10% of those people complete your offer. So let's open the calculator here. 1,000 people minus 10%, that's 100 people. Let's say 100 people complete your offer, and that's 10% of those people. And 100 times 28, that's $2,800. So you're going to be making over $2,800 if at least 100 of those people click your offer and put their phone numbers to sign up for this free solar generator, right? And let's say only 10% of those 100 people did the offer minus 10%. You will be earning $280, which is if 10 people do your offer, you're going to be earning $280, which is still worth it for something that you took less than 10 minutes to set up. And obviously, you can make this as many times as you want. So basically, the amount of money that you're going to earn only depends on how many times you want to do it. So now, what you want to do is to go to this website called trafficadbar.com. And once on their website, what you want to do is you want to copy your link from Bitly. Go ahead, copy that link, and you want to paste it here. So this is your affiliate link with the name of your offer, which is a solar generator, right? So what you want to do is add it here and click add website. So here, this is where Google Translate comes into play. What we want to do is we want to go back to Google Translate. I actually want to go back to CPA Grip. And you want to see what they're advertising here on their ad, right? In this case, they're showing you can win now. Jackery, I think that's how you say it, Solar Generator 1000. So you want to type this in Google Translate. You can win the Jackery Solar Generator 1000. Okay, now we're going to be doing it in Spanish from English to Spanish. And okay, now we have this Spanish writing. You want to take this, put it in your title. Okay, so it only lets you do like a small amount here first, but no worries at all. Now let's copy it in parts. Now this is going to be your ad, and this is what it's going to be looking like. So what is the language of your ad and website? You want to put this in Spanish. And because we're doing our ad in Spanish. So when you want to input Spanish here and here in the country that you want to be advertising in, you want to type Spain. Okay? So they're giving you 1 extra credit. Okay? So what you want to do now is you want to come back here and you want to save this, and it's going to post your ad into the network. Okay? And after you've done that, you want to click save, and it's going to be saving your ad into the network. And every time someone performs that action that you told them to do, which in this case is to input their phone number, I think. I can't remember. Let me see. Yes, they input their phone number. You're going to be earning $28.76. And remember, that website is promising to give people 1,000 visitors. Every 1% of those people, 10 people that do it, you're going to be earning $280, which is still worth it. And if you want to discover other ways to make money online using Google, just click here and you'll be redirected to that specific video. I'll see you there. Keep exploring, guys.